From the beginning, we knew that the PS4 Pro was going to be part of the development cycle of this game. We spent a lot of the end of the project tackling the solutions to make sure that the PS4 Pro experience was truly the ultimate experience for Shadow of the Colossus.
One of the things that stood out was you have these great Colossus battles and encounters, but the frame rate was one that always suffered. And so we wanted to make sure from the very get-go that having a solid frame rate had to be at the top of our goals.
Unique to the PS4 Pro version is a performance mode, which allows you to play at a much higher frame rate, targeting 60 FPS, and you have a choice of playing in a higher resolution mode, which gives you targeting a solid 30 FPS experience, but at higher resolution. And certain render features are slightly improved too for that kind of feature.
Playing the game at a fluid frame rate is unbelievable. It's truly amazing. Like, you get a whole different sense of the world. The character moves more fluidly. The Colossi feel like they're really around you. I mean, the level of immersion that goes through your brain is so much greater.
We knew there was no question about what do we want to do as far as graphics fidelity. We knew we wanted to make a lot of improvements there. We wanted to bring in the advanced rendering techniques and stuff that everybody's doing these days.
We set out early on to support 4K 30, which we call our cinematic mode.
And we found that going with a 1440p temporal sampling solution was actually the best for us, and actually gives you a smoother, more enjoyable experience, and really gives you something truly unique.
We stayed as true to the original as was necessary to maintain the original vision while rebuilding everything from the ground up. And the goal was to always give players the ultimate experience on PS4 Pro in 4K and HDR. There's nothing else like it out there.